I just dropped my transmission pan so I could change the gasket and the filter. I took the pan off and look at this was what was inside. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's a good thing I did decide to take this apart and change the filter. That's probably why the transmission was it wasn't skipping. It was like when I was going up hills, it would like downshift or something. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it, but I bought a new gasket, a new filter. I'm gonna change that out and hopefully the problem went away. This transmission is a THM 200. I guess it's a 200 metric. It's a 3-speed. Yeah, but I'm gonna change this fluid, the gasket, and put a new filter in. The filter is right there. I don't know. Yeah, this hand's all cleaned up. I put the new gasket on it, and I put the new screen filter, whatever you call it, in. All I have to do now is put it back up in there. I ordered new door handles. They just came in from Rock Auto. I paid like 12 and change for each of them. I got the most expensive ones because I wanted the better quality ones. These are the Dorman ones. I probably could have got these at AutoZone, but I got 2 left and 2 right. This is the left one right here, and this is the right one right here. All chrome. They look good. The ones that I had on my car, the guy painted the same color as the car, but it doesn't look right. So I just ordered these, so it'd be nice and shiny and brand new. I just finished putting the door handles on. These are the old ones. You see how they don't look that good after the guy painted them. Those are the new ones, all chrome. Dirty, but I just got finished. Just got finished putting them in. It's getting dark out here. Put all 4 on. They look way better like that than with that messed up paint on it. But yeah, I'm headed in for the day. The only thing I gotta do really now is figure out what I'm gonna do with this thing. I hope the top guy takes care of that, but we'll see. I didn't talk to him because he's on vacation, but when I drop it off, I'll tell him either I want chrome or I need this painted. I want the I'm gonna get the snaps. I don't know if I should get chrome trim with the gold snaps, and I still got to put the gold pinstripe on. That's on the floor right there. So gold pinstripe and chrome maybe trim right there with the gold snaps, or maybe just chrome with the chrome snaps, or maybe just paint that right there. I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. Just finished putting the pinstripes on. I'm not a professional. I know it's messed up a little bit right there. I used the tips that the package came with, because I couldn't bend them down right. Alright, I guess. I gotta look at it from far away, but if I have to do it again, I'll do it again. Just finished redoing the pinstripe. Still messed up right there, I ain't worried about that. This side was good, but the passenger side was crooked, so I had to redo it. This side is good. Straight now. Just got finished putting on the pinstripes. It's time to get dark out. You see the stars are coming out, right? I had to redo the driver's side was good. I had to redo the passenger side. The door to the rear end was a little bit crooked, so I redid that, and I was having problems with the hell was it? Oh, the corners. I heated them up with a heat gun. Let me get out of this. Flip this around. Like I said, the driver's side was good. I was just having problems with the corners right there. But I've been driving around for probably like 20 minutes, and they didn't pop out again yet, so it should be good. All of them are good. I have to fix that. I got extras, so I ain't worried about it. Yeah, this side right here, all this was good until I got to the door. Fixed that. All the cracks are still good. Dropping it off Monday. Get the top done, rag top. Then I can have this